On left corner side, select all panels on the vertical grid. Check the panel's length. Unpin and assign the TR empty panel. On right corner side, select all panels on the vertical grid. Unpin and assign the TR horizontal corner element A. Input the correct left side corner value. To start the corner from the other side, select all right side panels on the vertical grid. Check the length. Unpin and assign the TR empty panel. On left corner side, select all panels on the vertical grid. Unpin and assign the TR horizontal corner element B. Input the correct left side corner value. Finish the remaining corners. Opening the start file, there are different corner elements depending on the installation orientation. More elements are found in the project browser. There is also the option to change the angle of the corner element. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.